All right, guys, back with another live session here. So I'm in this swing, as you guys saw, absolute snipe entry. We'll see how this goes. So I'm going to keep this over here. For intraday, I'm looking at two possibilities here. I see shorts from this London area, or we're going to steamroll it and come up and sweep liquidity. I'm still bearish because we are coming out of our premium, so I'm being mindful of that. Same thing on GU. We're coming up pretty heavy right now. I want to see if we either sell from this region or if we sweep. If we sweep and DXY continues lower, like right here, if DXY comes lower, then I expect us to sweep this on GU. But we could also short from here. So I'm going to be looking for some structure out of this area to look for shorts. And AU, I see it coming up into this region or sweeping this high and then looking for shorts. I have a short bias just because of where we're coming out of on the high time frame. And I will keep you guys posted with what happens. We do have FOMC minutes later, which shouldn't be too detrimental up until then, but we'll wait and see. So as you guys know, we'll just sit and chill, and if something comes, but I'll wait until then. What I'd like to see, guys, is either a break below this area, creating an FVG to take price down, or a sweep of London high or Asia high and then push down. So I'm going to set a alert here on GU. Need to see a clean break, as well as London high. EU, on the other hand, I think could present something nice. We just need to see some structure shifts. Just again, need to see a break. I like to see a liquidity sweep in New York session before I take anything. So this could be it. Something like this, or something like this. Clearing this. But either way, I find the first bit of New York is usually a run, like AU just did. Swept this. So I need a fair value gap to be created now, guys. I needed to close below this low. We wicked it. So I'll be waiting for another opportunity. If it leaves, it leaves, but I need to see a break below here. This is the important, guys, of just sticking to what you say. Like I needed a close here. So if we don't get that close and we don't get that entry, then we're not in the trade. As simple as that. EU, for me to take this trade, I need to see a 5-minute breaker structure out of here. So this could be like this, right? Or a sweep of this area. But you got to be willing to stay patient and be okay with missing some setups that don't check your plan because, you got to be okay with being patient and missing some setups. But if it's not to your plan, it's not to your plan. And for me, I need to see a fair value gap. And obviously, this is where I would be entering here. If we got this break of structure, I would have been market executing right here, stop just above these highs like I had, target down here. But I didn't have it yet, so I need to wait. I need to wait and see. And hopefully we get something like that. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, we still haven't broke, and look what happens. This is the importance of waiting. I can't stress this enough. Like, yeah, sometimes you may be bored or you may think the market's going to leave without you. But if you don't get your break of structure, your trade is not valid yet. And I can't stress that enough because it is so important. And it's something that held me back for a long time. Just simply thinking in this consolidation, oh no, maybe it's going to leave without me. And guess what? I'm okay if it does because I have my plan and I have my criteria. And if I don't have the full criteria, I'm not trading my plan. And I'm just getting in when the market wants me to. I'm getting induced in, right? I'm getting induced. We need to see our formation form. And that's the best way to find success, guys. Seriously, just stay patient, and it'll come. Because if we chase this prematurely and we didn't wait for the candle closure below this low, we'd most likely be taking a loss here. And this trade idea is still valid. We could very well sweep these, get our break, and then boom, let's go, baby. Patience. AU is just building a ton of sell-side liquidity. We do have FOMC minutes later, which could be why the market's moving a little bit sensitive. But yeah, we'll wait and see. We shall wait and see. I'm in swings on these, so your boy's swinging on and off the charts, baby. We just swept coming into the daily open, mitigating this order block here. We'll see if we get a break structure. That would be absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, I will look for shorts if I get up here. And if I'm early, I'm early. Hopefully this doesn't leave without us. I entered in this breaker, guys. So my entry is 1.08098. I'm aware it could go higher, but price is heavy right now. Stop is 156. So we took a loss on EU, guys. Trade to plan. Can't be mad about it at all. Chalk that up. We'll see if, yeah, guys, we'll see if GU runs. I'm just going to go chill, and I'll come back with an update if we win or we're down here. All right, guys, you can see we're starting to break to the downside, which is great. I'm going to show that I'm in this trade. You can see we are in this trade, so hopefully we get some momentum to the downside. I'm going to be targeting down here as my final TP, but I will be rolling stop as we go with new structure points. So I can't quite go break even yet, but once we create a new lower high, then I'll be able to go break even. But yeah, we'll see what happens on this trade, guys. We shall see what happens on this trade. Oh yeah, you guys know what time it is. You guys can see we got swept on EU, which is okay. That's why I took GU as well, because I knew there was some sort of divergence, but that's a major divergence. Like look where GU held, where EU was ripping. So AU looks like it's going to start jumping too. So I mean, everything looks good here. We just got to be patient and see what happens. But I'm going to be targeting this week low as my final TP on GU, and we'll kind of go from there. I am in this swing, obviously, still on EU from up here. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so if we drop now after filling this FVG, I'll go break even. So I'll be going break even on this trade, guys, once we break this low here. So we have to break this low for me to go break even on this trade. All right, I'm going to go BE now, guys. Yeah, so I'm break even on this trade, guys. We'll see if we continue to drop. That'd be beautiful if we do. EU looks like we could start to drop. AU obviously had a nice run to the downside. If you guys remember at the beginning of the video, we were talking about we want to see this low get taken. So yeah, we'll just see. Nice to be risk free on this trade. It sucks EU took us out with divergence, but nothing you can do there. Really nice hourly candle close here, which is huge for us across the board. EU as well. AU, beautiful. DXY, beautiful. So let's hope we continue to drive down here, guys. That'd be wonderful. If we can just drag stop once we get to these lows and bank, then we'll be great. So we gotta just sit and wait. We got some areas that price can react from, and we'll just go from there. All right, my stop is now rolled to bank profit. So we are gonna bank. Our stop is rolled to 156. Hopefully we hit these lows here. Nice. All right, so I've been taken out of this trade for rolled stop. Some nice profit. Sucks EU took us out like it did, but can't help when divergence happens. So great job today, and we'll be back with another one.